code. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys in detail what is an object and how to create an object in Java. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What is an object in Java? Basically, anything that has its own state and behavior in Java is considered to be an object. In real life, table could be an example. Obviously, table has its own state, solid state. And by behavior, they mean what is the function. Now we all know the function of a table. You can either write on it, eat on it, and do much more. Now, many people get confused between what is an object and what is a class. An important point to note is that class is the blueprint. All objects are created from classes. Now let's move on and see how to create an object in Java. Now, open BlueJ and hit new class after you have created yourself a project. You can type in your class name as whatever you like, but note that the starting letter should always be in capital. Once you're done, double click your class to open it. Like always, you'll see a lot of unnecessary statements, just delete them all. Now, there are three basic steps for creating an object in Java. The first one being declaration. In this step, you're declaring your variable with a variable name and object type. Note that they mean object by variable. The second one is instantiation. The object is created using the keyword new. Last but not least, initialization. The object is not only created but it is also initialized using a constructor. If you forgot what a constructor means, it's basically something that initializes your object as soon as it is created. If you do not know, an object stores the user's input. Now for Java to read the user's input, you need something called as a scanner. And this scanner can be imported using a package called the Java util package. Now if you have forgotten what a package means, it's a collection of similar things. So we are going to type in import java.util. Your multiplication symbol. Press semicolon and hit enter. Now you type in class and insert your class name. Note that the class name should be same as the class name you have given before. Now hit enter and open curly brackets. If you guys did not know, the curly brackets indicate the start and the end of a block. So right now we are starting the class block. Hit enter again and type in your method, which is public static void main open brackets capital S string args open box bracket close box bracket and close your brackets. Once again hit enter and open another curly bracket. This will be the start of your method block. Now comes the stage where we are going to call out the scanner. So type in scanner with a capital S. After this, you're going to have to name your scanner. In my scenario, I'm going to name it SC. You can name it as whatever you like, but know that it should be in lowercase letters. Press equal to and type in new scanner with a capital S again. Open brackets system with a capital S dot in close brackets and a semicolon. Hit enter. Now we are going to type in your print statement. We all know it is system.out.println open brackets, open double quotes and type in how old are you. Close double quotes and close brackets and press semicolon. Hit enter. Now comes the stage where you are going to be creating your object. For creating an object, the first thing you need to type in is your data type. Now you guys might be wondering, what does a data type mean? Let's split the word and see. Data, something that stores data. Type, what type of data? So a data type can either contain letters, numbers or even decimals. Today I am going to be introducing you to only one data type, and that data type is the data type that contains integers. It is called as int. Now go ahead and type in int with all lowercase letters. Now comes the stage where you're going to be naming your object. You can type in whatever name you like, but note that everything should be in lowercase letter. In my scenario, I'm naming it code. Hit equal to and type in your scanner name. So in my scenario, it will be SC dot next int with the capital I, open brackets, close brackets, and finally a semicolon. Now hit enter and close your method block. Then hit enter again and close your class block. Once you're done, hit compile and it should come class compiled, no syntax errors. Now minimize the tab and right click your class and go to void main string args. Click that and hit OK. Now the system will ask you how old are you. Type in your age. Note that it should be a whole number. As for me, it is 13. If it is not a whole number, your computer will throw an error and your program will be wrong. That is it. That is how you create an object in Java. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Today we learned what is an object in Java. Today we also learned difference between objects and classes in Java. And finally, we learned how to create an object in Java. Now, if you like this video, it wouldn't hurt to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you stay notified at all times. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one.